Come and watch the grasshopper teach us something new today.
Are you looking for a complete personal narrative unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In our last video, you learned how to write the ending paragraph of your personal narrative essay. Today, you will learn how to draft the entire essay. So far, we've been building our small moment step by step. You wrote a lead, your plot paragraphs, and an ending. Drafting is when we combine these paragraphs and turn them into one complete essay. As you put your story together, you can also add in your sensory details, dialogue, and thoughts, so readers can really picture what happened. Let's take a look at how to put all the parts together. As you put your story together, don't forget to keep your paragraphs separate so your reader can follow along. The easiest way to draft your essay is to stick to your plan. In other words, don't change what you already wrote. We'll work on improving it in another lesson. Start by finding your lead paragraph and write that first. Be sure to indent at the beginning of the paragraph. When that paragraph is finished, go on to the next line, indent, and begin your first body paragraph. Then follow the same steps for next, then last, and your ending paragraph. Each part of the story should start on a new line with an indent. As you write your paragraphs, be sure to include the updated sentences with show don't tell, dialogue, and thoughts. As you draft, begin to notice things like capitalization, punctuation, spelling, and transition words. You don't need to fix everything yet. We'll focus on that more in the editing lesson. Before you're done, read your draft out loud. Reading out loud can really help your brain notice mistakes much more easily than when you read silently in your head. As you read, ask, does my writing flow and make sense? If it does, you have successfully drafted your essay. You're now ready to draft your entire small moment essay. Thanks for watching our teaching video on drafting a personal narrative essay. Don't forget to follow Grasshopper and shop our personal narrative writing resources. Check the description for more.